Welcome to today's session on rearranging equations and formulae. So we've seen equations and we've seen formulae before, where this is literally a sum with an equal sign where one side equals the other, and there's a bit of algebra in there as well. But when it comes to equations and formulae, we can actually manipulate these. We can actually rearrange them to help us solve the value, find out the value of our unknown, our letter. So for my first example, I've got 2a equals 10. Now, in an ideal world, I want to find out the value of a. I want a all on itself on one side of the equal sign, whether that's on the left-hand side or on the right-hand side. I can do this by dividing both sides by 2. Whatever I'm going to do with one side of my equal sign, I'm going to do with the other, because one side is equal to the other. They're in balance, just like a set of scales. So if I divide 2a by 2, that just leaves me with a. And then doing the same to the other side, if I divide 10 by 2, that leaves me with 5. And now I've got a on the left hand side all on itself equal to 5 on the right hand side, so a equals 5, so this is solved. For my second example, I've got 2a plus 10 equals 20 plus a. Now this can again be simplified exactly the same as what we've done before, by doing whatever we're doing to one side, doing to the other side, and trying to figure out the value of a. So if I subtract a from both sides, my a on this side will disappear, because a minus a would be nothing, and this side I've subtracted a from. Now if I subtract 10 from both sides, subtract 10 from this 10, this will disappear. Subtracting 10 from the right hand side now, and now I've got a straightforward sum. I've got 2 lots of a. If I minus 1 lot of a from that, I'm just left with a. And on the right hand side, 20 minus 10 leaves me with 10. So a equals 10. Another way that people look at rearranging formula, because some people aren't comfortable with doing the same with one side as they do to the other side. Some people actually look at these and move a term from one side to the other side of the equal sign, but when they do that, it's almost like it crosses the invisible line of the equal sign. When it moves over, it actually becomes the opposite. So if it's a positive number on the one side, or positive letter, it'll become a negative letter on the other side. If we've got a division and take it over to the other side, it will become a multiplication. Again, this is a really good way of being able to manipulate or rearrange equations and formula. Thank you very much for watching.